Harry with Noel here. We're just installing an XT130 Sulky. We just started up. And I asked you, Noel, what were your main reasons you went towards the Sulky?
Just for simplicity, no electronics, something simple to use, and easy for us to operate.
And Noel, we're doing 120 kgs at 36 metres. It's doing a good job of that?
Yes, doing a beautiful job of that, yes.
Yeah, we've got a bit of wind about, but we're still getting nice overlap. So anyway, thanks for that, Noel, and good luck with your purchase.
No worries, thank you for that.
Just north of Jandowae, it's the Sulky XT130, just on installation. We're spreading urea, 0.75 density, 36 metres, 120 kgs. We're doing a beautiful, consistent job of the spread, even with a little bit of wind. We're travelling at about 12 kilometres an hour. Very smooth operation.